Remove PFM from packaging. Front panel assembly. Separate the front and back carriers. Set the back carrier section aside for later. Peel the comfort foam liner from the inner frame to access the top and bottom flat cam buckles. Lift up on the cam buckle plastic tabs to break the tension in the cinching straps. Pull the straps back through the cam buckles. Be careful not to pull the ends of the straps completely through the buckles. Even out the slack in the straps to separate the inner and outer frame. Then, lift the top cinching strap over the shoulder buckles. This will open the frame and allow a plate to be inserted from the top. Carefully insert the plate from the top of the frame assembly and adjust where needed in order to ensure the plate is snug within the carrier. If the plate does not slide in easily, the straps may need to be loosened and/or adjusted. Tighten the lower cinching strap to remove excess slack. Ensure the cinching straps are not bunched or twisted. Do not fully tighten. Lift the top cinching straps back over the shoulder buckles so that they lay flat across the inner panel. Ensure the cinching straps are not bunched or twisted. Perform a final tightening of the straps. Ensure the outer frame and inner frame are centered on the plate. Tighten the cinching straps by starting at the fixed ends and working your way to the cam buckles. Tuck the excess straps into the center of the inner frame. Use the included one wrap to secure the loose ends to the inner frame Velcro. Reattach the comfort foam liner. Perform one final check to make sure all straps are tight and properly aligned. Back panel assembly. Similar to the front plate installation, remove the comfort panel and loosen the cam buckles to release the tension in the cinching straps. Pull the straps back through the cam buckles until there is a 2 to 3 inch length of strap sticking out from each buckle. Be careful not to pull the ends of the straps completely through the buckles. Lift the top of the cinching strap over the shoulder strap attachment points. Additional loosening of the cinching strap may be necessary in order to open the top of the frame as needed. Insert the rear plate and adjust where needed in order to ensure the plate is snug within the carrier. If the plate does not slide in easily, the straps may need to be loosened and/or adjusted. Bring the cinching straps back over the shoulder straps. Be sure all the straps are tight and not twisted. Perform a final tightening and ensure the outer frame and inner frame are centered on the plate. Tighten the straps by starting at the fixed end, working your way to the cam buckles. Use the included one wrap to secure the loose ends to the inner frame Velcro. Reattach the comfort liner tightly and securely. The rear carrier is now fully assembled. Cummerbund adjustment. To adjust the tension, peel back the inner panel and small outer flap of the cummerbund to access the bungee cord lock. Pull the bungee through the cord lock to increase the tension. Once adjusted, capture the bungee under the small Velcro flap and reassemble the cummerbund. Completed kit assembly. Reattach the E-buckles on the shoulder straps and cummerbund. Your PFM kit is now ready for use.